Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this pretty flower turban tutorial here. So basically I woke up one morning and I thought I'm going to figure out how to do one of those flower styles. So I pulled out my raw silk scarf and attempted it, and first time round I did it really well and I was so proud of myself. But of course, as soon as the cameras came on, it was mission impossible. So this is the closest that I can get it to looking like that one. I'll insert a picture of the original one I did here. But yeah, this is a very good attempt, like I say. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to watch how I achieved this turban tutorial right here. And also guys, every time you do it, it's going to turn out a little bit different. Yeah, enjoy the video, and as always guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these turban tutorials and want more. Hit the subscribe button and share with others so other people can also try this style out as well. Okay guys, and I'm not going to be talking through this tutorial just because I need like the maximum concentration possible, and also I've got a mirror right there. Like ideally I need one right in front of me, but yeah, so if I keep looking kind of to the side, that's why. And here it goes. I really hope I can do this again. So, and also just so you know, this is a raw silk scarf. It is 1 yard of fabric folded in half, as you can see here. It's folded in half. Okay guys, so you need to put the raw silk scarf on your head, and you want the left side to be slightly longer than the right side. Okay, so just line it up in front of your face, I don't know what I'm saying. Cross it over at the back, and then you just need to take the two sides over to one side. And then you need to twist the two sides around each other. And then you simply kind of spread that piece there and then start kind of folding it and placing it around with your hand. A lot of this style is about kind of like just playing around with it and, you know, moving things around. And then I get a pin and simply start holding things down. Now, you know I hate pins, which is why like 95% of my styles are pinless. So I pricked myself a million times as well in this video. Okay, so you just take the other side after you've pinned that first bit down, and then just spread that open, and then start again flattening it out, and just, you know, playing around with it until you get the flower shape, and adjust it like I've just done here, just so it looks more of that kind of flowery pattern on top of your head. And then I get another blasé pin to hold that down. Okay, and you'll notice on this scarf there's like some raw edges. It's because I bought it in Nigeria and I took it to the tailor to get overlocked, that all the raw edges overlocked, and they only did like one side, well, two sides, and then they left the two ends undone. I don't know why, but anyway, so yeah, just keep literally placing pins in there to hold it down and keep it secure, because obviously this is raw silk. And I just chopped off that little random bit, and there you go. Super, 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 well, I was going to say easy, but that would be a lie, because I tried this a million times before I managed to get it like this. But yeah, if you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget I do loads of tutorials over on my Instagram as well, so go check them out for weekly tutorials, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of it down below. Bye!